Hello my friends, it's Joey. Welcome to another fun art tutorial. If you like our content, please remember to subscribe and click that notification bell. Today, we're going to be making these amazing sun catchers. They are super cute and super easy to make. Aren't they just gorgeous? I'm so excited. Now that the sun is coming out more, it will be an awesome piece of art for you to hang in your window. You can make your sun catcher small or big, but the awesome thing about it is that when the light shines through them, you'll see all sorts of beautiful color. They really bring the energy of the sun to the room. Today, my good friend Miriam, or as I like to call her, Marvelous Miriam, is going to walk you through a step-by-step video on how to make your very own sun catchers for your house. Miriam's all ready to get started, so I will see you at the end of the video.
Thanks, Joey. As you may have heard, my name is Marvelous Miriam, and I'm here today to show you how to create so many cool, interesting sun catchers. For today's project, you will need some paper, some parchment paper, a pencil and an eraser, Sharpie, scissors, a ruler, a few acrylic colors, glue, a squeeze bottle, and a paintbrush. Let's get creating. We want to start by making the templates of our sun catchers. Grab some paper, a pencil, and an eraser to start. Let's make the heart first. Fold your paper in half and draw one side of your heart on the side that the paper is folded. When you cut it out, it will reveal a beautiful heart shape. You can trace that heart onto a new piece of paper just like this. Mark a small dot on the top left of your heart. You can grab a ruler and start making lines that will lead to the dot. Once you're done, go over it with a Sharpie. For the next one, we can make a circle. You can grab a big circle and a smaller circle shape from your house. For my bigger circle, I'm going to be tracing a bucket. You can grab a smaller circle and trace it around the inside of your big circle. Then, draw more circles going around the center circle. Once completed, outline with a Sharpie again. For the color mixture, you can grab some acrylic paint and glue. I'm going to be starting with black for my border. Add black paint and then add some glue inside of it. You can mix until it's fully combined and has no lumps. You can then transfer it into a squeeze bottle. The only color I will use in a squeeze bottle will be black. Let's start with our circle template first. You can lay down your paper with the Sharpie side facing up. Then place a piece of parchment paper over top so we can easily peel our sun catcher off when it's dry. You should still be able to see the template clearly. Grab your black squeeze bottle and start to outline the bigger circle on the outside and then all the Sharpie circles we created on the inside. Go nice and slow as we want to try our hardest to make sure we don't go over the lines. We can then do the same steps for the heart template we created. You will want to allow the black to dry overnight as we don't want it to mix with other colors. Once they have dried, we can then apply the color. I'm going to show you how I added red and orange on the inside of my heart. In a separate cup, you can mix orange and white acrylic and add some glue. Do the same thing with red. We're going to grab a paintbrush and start to apply the red in every other section, just like this. We will leave the gaps to fill with orange. Go nice and slow and spread the red around the whole shape, trying not to go over the black border. You will need to allow for the paint to dry for one more day before we can touch it. You can see all of the amazing designs I created, like the earth, a heart with different shapes, and a circle with smaller circles inside. Once they are dry, you can peel them off the parchment paper and grab some double-sided tape and apply 3 to 4 strips onto the back. Stick it right onto the window, or you can even hole punch and put a string right through it so it hangs. And you're done! Thanks so much for creating with us today, and we can't wait to see you back in the next video. Back to you, Joey!
Congratulations, you made it to the end. If you would like to share your picture with me, please email me at hello@4cats.com or tag me on Instagram at 4catsstudio and I will get to see your awesome art. Thanks everyone, and I will see you later for another art tutorial. Bye!